Okay guys, today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to make brick. No, not a tutorial. What's this? I'm gonna switch my thing because I'm not really gaming. And we'll be normally breaking a brick. And I know nobody can do that. If you can, go ahead and put that in the comments below. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys.
Okay, do it then.
Here we all got our brick set up. And just get a brick that's not as heavy, but that's the only thing you got. Just push it off. It's the hardest way.
Okay, I'll stay like this.
So I'll show you what's inside a brick. Just I'll break it. Sadly, not broke, but got a pretty good cut into it. Excuse me, I got the modulus.
What are you doing?
Breaking a brick in half.
Have you ever had a modulus? Are you taking pictures of it?
So here's what I got. No more letting sucks. Here's what I got. I've done better. I'll just make a remake video. And thanks for watching. I will see y'all tomorrow. I'll be starting daily vlogs by Tuesday. Maybe not. I'll start on spring break. Yeah, just catch up on school math and grades. So I will see y'all tomorrow. It's your boy, nothing right now. If anybody who wants to put that in the comments, if you think you have a name that you can call me, that I should switch to. So, yeah. I'll see y'all tomorrow.